Welcome back to my YouTube channel AutoStation 1. The Holden Commodore has always been a name synonymous with performance, practicality, and a strong connection to Australian roads. The 2025 Holden Commodore is no exception. It's a car that blends innovation with tradition, delivering a driving experience that appeals to both enthusiasts and everyday drivers. Let's start with the design. From the moment you lay eyes on the new Commodore, it's clear Holden has put a lot of thought into its aesthetics. The sleek, aerodynamic profile not only looks stunning but also improves fuel efficiency and performance. The sharp LED headlights and redesigned front grille give it a bold and modern presence, while subtle curves along the body add a sense of elegance. The alloy wheels have been upgraded, with a range of sporty designs available, ensuring there's something to match every taste. Under the hood, the 2025 Commodore doesn't disappoint. It's powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine as standard, delivering impressive efficiency and a satisfying burst of acceleration. For those who crave more power, there's an optional V6 engine that offers a thrilling driving experience with enhanced performance and towing capacity. The handling is precise, thanks to a finely tuned suspension system, and the all-wheel drive option provides excellent grip in all conditions. Inside, the cabin is a showcase of modern technology and premium materials. The seats are supportive and comfortable, making long drives a breeze. The center console is dominated by a high-resolution touchscreen, equipped with the latest version of Holden's infotainment system. It supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands, ensuring you stay connected on the go. The inclusion of wireless charging and multiple USB ports is a practical touch for today's tech-savvy drivers. Safety is another area where the Commodore shines. It comes with an array of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera. These systems work seamlessly to make driving safer and less stressful, whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on the highway. One of the unique selling points of the 2025 Holden Commodore is its versatility. It's spacious enough to comfortably seat 5 adults, with ample cargo space in the boot for all your gear. This makes it a fantastic option for families or anyone who needs a car that can handle daily commutes, road trips, and everything in between. What really sets the Commodore apart, though, is its heritage. For decades, the Commodore has been a symbol of Australian motoring, and this latest model continues that legacy with a blend of modern technology and timeless appeal. It's a car that doesn't just